My name is Dustin, currently a student at LSC for professional aviation. I'm also a firefighter. When I was a volunteer firefighter back in Hayward, Wisconsin, there was a massive storm that went through, knocked down a whole bunch of trees. During that night, somehow I tweaked my knee, didn't realize it until I woke up the next morning. Football started going through during practice one day, heard a big pop in my knee, had a bunch of pain, and just kind of crippled on the ground. We got an MRI of the knee, and it looked just like a little teeny tiny small tear, nothing out of the ordinary. Then when we actually got to the surgery, he went in there expecting a teeny tiny small tear, and then it ended up looking like hamburger, just being totally trashed, at the very fine line of being usable and not. He was luckily able to put it all back together. Dr. Thomas during the surgery did a couple things to kind of help improve the recovery. After all that bed rest, it was starting to get into therapy and actually moving the knee, letting it bend and trying to get that range of motion back. It was definitely tough. I've never broken a bone, never tore anything, so it was kind of a new experience and something that my body has never experienced. Trying to relearn something that you've been able to do your entire life was definitely a learning curve. So I was doing my private pilot's license and firefighting and football the whole school year. I was able to fit in my private pilot certificate before my surgery. I think I got it like 2 days before my surgery. Was able to work with the examiner to move that up a couple of months. Firefighting, it was volunteer stuff, so it was a little bit easier to kind of put on the back burner for the time being. And of course, when you have a surgery, your doctors kind of want you to kind of chill out for a couple of weeks, couple days, couple months. It depends on the severity of the surgery. But me personally, I'm not that kind of person, so it was kind of my mom kind of forcing me to not do stuff that I wanted to do. So Essentia Health helped me get through this process by giving me a doctor that was 100% overqualified, to say the least, to help me live a life where I can live pain-free, live with a knee that works 100%, and I guess just overall have a happy life.